Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Whenever we use MS Excel, we sort our data multiple times. Normally that's in the vertical order. But there is another way within MS Excel, you can sort your data horizontally also. Let me show you how can you do that. If you follow my mouse, you can see here some data are there. So if I select this particular data and then I try to sort it, how can I do that? It's very simple. I need to go to Home tab, and in the extreme right, I need to find out this particular option, sort and filter. If I click on this particular drop down, then there are different options. I need to select sort A to Z so that my data will get sorted. Let me click on that, and then you can see the change in the data. Now you can see it got changed in ascending order. Now this is simple and all of us may be already using it. Now if I need to do it horizontally, how can I do that? First of all, let me convert this particular data from vertical to horizontal. I'll press Ctrl C to copy, and then I'll select a cell, blank cell here, and then I'll go to Home tab. Under that, again paste. I'll go to this particular drop down, and then in the paste special, I'll go to transpose. It will paste the data in horizontal order. Now this is done. To clean up this thing, let me delete this other columns here. And now I have this data available horizontally. Now how can I sort it? For that, what I need to do, I need to go to this data tab, and there I'll be able to find one option that is sort. If we click on that, then a new pop-up will come. Here by default certain options are there. You can see it's showing sort by column, and it's showing me different column names. But we don't want that, right? We want rows here so that we can sort horizontally. Now there are few things we need to do here. If I go to options, then there is one option you can see, sort left to right. By default, sorting of data in vertical way from top to bottom is selected. Now if I change that and I click on OK, just check this particular area, how will it change? If I click OK, now it became row. And if I click on this drop down, it's showing me row 5. My data is also in the row 5, and considering this is the only data selected, it's showing me only one option of row 5. Let me select on that. It will sort based on the cell value, and again the order will be A to Z. Once this all options are selected, if I click on OK, then just check how the data will get sorted. Let me click on OK. Now you can see it got sorted in horizontally. Now this is the way you can use this particular feature. Hopefully you learned something new today. And if you want to learn more such MS Excel related tips, I have a full course available, and the links are available in the description below. If you also want to watch similar MS Excel related tips, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.